They say into your early life romance came, and it 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 and it
posted like an update video to just like sort of explain what's going on. If you haven't watched it, I'll get you up to speed quickly. Basically, I'm stranded in the Philippines on an island called Siargao. I had a flight from Manila to Vietnam, but Manila got closed down because of the coronavirus, so the flight got cancelled. So basically today I had to get up at 4 AM, take a scooter ride from General Luna to Dapa, where the port is, so I could take a ferry to Surigao City. I'm here today to extend my visa, basically because Cebu has also closed down. There's no real way for me to get out of the Philippines because Cebu and Manila are the main airports in the Philippines. So I'm just gonna extend my visa for 1 more month, and hopefully next month I'll be able to get out of the Philippines. Or I say maybe, but I'm kind of happy staying here, so. I'm at, they are like the KFC of the Philippines. Not sure what this is, but here's a piece of chicken, some spaghetti and rice. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. It's like a patty with a very sweet sauce. I'm gonna take a bite of this spaghetti over here. Okay, but that's okay. Oh, chicken is awesome. Oh, it's so crispy and good. That was literally the best fried chicken I've ever had. Okay, there's the immigration. Gonna sort that out quickly. Okay, that's sorted out now. Now I need to take a jeepney. Next mission is to take the ferry back to Siargao Island. Okay, so this is a jeepney. This only cost me 10 pesos to get to the immigration office and 10 pesos to get back from the pier. When I got off the pier from the pier, there were these guys starting tricycle prices at like 100 pesos, 150 pesos, then they were working down to 70 pesos. Basically just get on a jeepney, ask them where they're heading, and then we'll save a lot of money. Is this one? Thank you! Salamat! Never Okay, got my ticket. Got my ticket to Siargao. So now it's 9:30 AM. The ferry is only leaving at 11:30, so I've got like 2 hours to kill. I'm gonna explore some of Surigao City, like just in the area around the port. So I wanted to comment about these guys, this one guy peeing in the street next to the road, and then as I walked by there was at least like 4 other guys peeing in the street, so I guess it's normal. So this whole excursion cost me 200 pesos to get to Siargao City, 3,150 pesos to do the visa extension, 150 pesos for breakfast, another 280 pesos to get back to Siargao. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot. I had to rent a scooter to get from General Luna to Dapa where the ferry is, and then back from Dapa to General Luna. That's another 300 pesos plus 65 pesos for gasoline. Oh, and the jeepney was 15 pesos to get to immigration and 10 pesos to get back. That brings us to a total of... It turned out to be an expensive day, but I feel it was necessary because if I overstayed my visa, I would definitely get a fine. It's actually less than extending the visa, but I don't know what would happen after that. I don't know if they would allow me back into the country or what other penalties they would. Madam did it. This sounds nice. I wonder what's a comfort room. Oh, it's a toilet. I found a 7-Eleven. I'm gonna check if they have iced coffee because I can really do with iced coffee right now. They didn't have iced coffee like the iced coffee I'm used to, but this is the closest they got. And I also got a donut, so it's time to head back now. I need to check where I need to get on my ferry, so I want to be there early. Quick surf check. Looks better than the last time I was here, but that's still too small to surf. So right now I'm heading from Dapa to General Luna. There is another road that is a little bit shorter, but it's like such a cinematic road. The views are awesome. There's like a lot of palm trees. I think it's better if I just show you, bro.
Into your early life, romance came, and it 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 came, and it
Got home now and I got my beer. This is what they have in the Philippines. It's called Red Horse. See there it says extra strong. That's for a reason, because look at this. That's a 6.9% alcohol. And you can get this in a liter. I paid 120 pesos for this. There's a 10 peso deposit for the bottle. So I would say mission completed for today. I am very tired and I'm just gonna enjoy my beer, so hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, then I guess I'll see you tomorrow. You thought I'm gonna change it up.
And it's okay. And it's okay.